Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you find some things you enjoy here and you stick around. Hit the like button, subscribe, and those kinds of things, and look for some fun videos. If you're returning, hi, welcome back. I got some fun stuff again today to show you. And first of all, let us say thank you to GBFKE for letting me pick out these things to show you. All right, are you ready to get into it? Let's look at canvases first, because I've got a couple of those. Let's look at those first. And just let me say, look how adorable these are. Look at this. Isn't it cute? Sleeping tiger in the flower bed. You know, what's not to love about that? 30 by 30 size. I think the tiger has a little tutu on as well. Flower crown. How precious, right? How precious. Looks like it has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 special drills, possibly 12 drills altogether, possibly 4 of them being special drills. Looks like I see A, B, C, and D. They all look like they're marquees. Anyhow, let's look at drills, because who doesn't like to see drills? I like to see what's going on in these, especially if there's something super fun, super unique. Anyhow, what do we have? We have some rhinestones, of course. We have purple, orange, pink, green. That's kind of a grayish color. Pink and black. Oh, we have a few more. We have a gold ball. Didn't expect that one. Then we have pink marquees. 2 different greens. Now look at this green. This one's a lighter green, iridescent. That one's really pretty. And this is just a dark green. And then we have gold. I love it. Okay. She's super cute. Absolutely adorable. Cannot stand the cuteness sometimes, you guys. All right. There's that one. Again, well, here's the toolkit that comes with all of them. So you know you'll get your wax, your tray, and a pen. Okay. Again, just like, ah, can we just have a moment to go, ah? I mean, look at a pony on skis. Really? Okay, the pony's skiing. I mean, it's adorable. It's absolutely adorable. Wearing a big old cowl, scarf type situation. It's adorable. Again, with the 30 by 30, and I believe it's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different drills. I'm going to guess that 5 of them are special. We're guessing here. We are guessing. All right. I see A, B, C, D, and E. So, all right. Let's look at drills. Come on, drills. Show yourselves. It is September 29th, and it is hot here in Michigan. Literally hot. I had to turn the air on. All right, clear crystals, orange, gold, purple, blue, red, pink, light blue, another purple, a green. These are beautiful right there. Okay, I am way wrong with this. It only has 2 special drills. Okay, all right. You know, I can only guess sometimes. We got a round red, and we have this clear yet iridescent marquee. Love it. All right, there we have that one. Super cute. Gotta love it. Just gotta love it. All right. I thought, because, I don't know why I thought, because letters. I thought letters meant special drills, but you know they don't. Okay. All right, what comes in this type of packaging? I don't know. Do you know? We'll find out in a second. Oh, yeah, this. Okay. Let's open. Oh, we have construction to do here. I'm in the midst of construction with my husband. Oof. Yep. It's always fun. Always fun. Same toolkit. Here's our pieces and parts. We got parts and parts. Here's our little screws, a screwdriver, and things to build this with. We got to build it. Okay. So let me show you how we build it. First of all, let's see if I can do this. I believe this is the base. I believe that's the base. And it goes this way. And this is the front piece. This goes in the front. It might not fit in there with all this plastic on it, but let's see if we can get it in there. Come on, go in the little holes here, in the little slots. Oh, seriously. It's like, no. Let's try it this way. Maybe have better luck the other way. Yep, no, I'm not getting it. I'd have to fuss with it. Okay, but it does go like this. It goes in here like this. And then this goes on the back like this with those pegs, because this holds candles, like little tea lights. So it will go on the back. See, it's very close. So your little pegs go in here. And so they're going to be raised up a little bit, right? And then this sits in front like this. And it's a candle, little tea light. You don't have to get real candles. You can go get some of those little tea light candles, little battery operated candles that will fit in there. And I don't know if there's a film on all of this stuff that comes off. It kind of feels like it. Maybe things would fit better if you take off all the little film. It really does feel like there's a film on it. Because it feels plasticky, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know. I could be just messing this up right now for all I know. But it feels like it comes off. I don't know. We'll play with that later. But there's the picture. Sunflowers and butterflies. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. All right. Let's see. What are our drills for this? Sometimes construction of these things, you just gotta take some time and you sit with it and play with it, and it works. You just need to fiddle with it a little bit and finagle, you know? Fiddle and finagle. All right. What we got here? Okay. We have gold rhinestones. We have black, green, gold, blue, and here's our special drills. We have blue marquee. They're like a gold, but they're looking really orange. They're gold, but they're looking real orange with the iridescent in there. Then we have gold. These are smaller marquees. And then we have these match. These are the same color, the gold and, well, these are more orange. Anyhow, round, faceted, iridescent, beautiful, sparkly, shiny goodness. Oh, I'll have to fix that later. Okay. There's that one. Okay, next. What do we have next? We have something in a box. It's a small box. GBFKE is very generous. They're very kind. They let me pick out quite a few things, and I am ever thankful for that. Okay? And they have great things. Absolutely great items. This one's wooden. I find a lot of times the smaller boxes like that will have a wooden item in them. I'm not saying that's always the case, but oftentimes the smaller boxes, the pieces are wooden. There's our base. Oh, we have two bases and sticky stuff. Okay. This is cute. Look at it. It's a little camper. And they have different styles of the camper. This is one I liked. Isn't it cute though? It's so cute. Like you can see inside, they got decorations inside, their little curtain. It is adorable. It's adorable. I loved it. Got a table outside. You know, this would be one of my dreams in life, is to have one of the little retro campers and have it all decorated in some cute theme, and, you know, take it places. They have little shows. You can take your little, you know, retro, redone, decorated campers to. I think it would be fun. Anyhow, not in the cards for me right now, but it would be fun. That's like a salmon color and a red and a clear and a gold. All right, here's the special drills. Red, round, faceted, iridescent. All the things. Red, round, faceted, iridescent. How about green, faceted, iridescent, marquee? And then big, round, faceted, iridescent, clear. There's a lot happening there, right? There's a lot happening. There's a lot of special drills, so, which makes it a ton of fun. Okay, just going to put you in here for now, and we'll slide you to the side. We got one more item. See, I got a lot of stuff from GBFKE, you guys. And then we go to the big box. What's in the big box? Let's find out. Something big, right? Something big. You know, I've done a lot of like holiday things for like fall and Halloween, even though Halloween's not my favorite holiday. But my time is coming. My time is coming. Christmas stuff and winter stuff is going to start showing up. Here's our base. And here is our piece. Okay, this one is printed on the back side. That's the back side. Look how pretty it is from the back. Right? Without drills on it. It's gorgeous. And it has a film on it, so it's going to get much brighter. If I can pull this film back real quick, I think it's always amazing how bright these get when you pull the film off. Oh, and they never want to work for me. It's like you got to tear it. And then you can peel it back. Seriously. Come on. Okay, so watch it. It's magical. Watch. See that? That's the color. Peel it back. And look how bright it gets. Look how shiny and pretty it gets when you take that film off. Oh, I just love that. That's one of the most fun parts for me. Peel the film off. But look at her. Isn't she cute? She's absolutely adorable. Look at that hat. Look at the flowers on that hat. She's got braids, and look at that precious little face. She's got that little butt and nose, little rosy cheeks. She's precious, absolutely precious. Bows in her hair and her braids. I love it so much. I think she's absolutely adorable. What do you think about her? And she's going to have a lot of special drills. There's going to be a lot. That's exciting. I love that. She's cute. Cute as a button. Just cute as a button. Okay, here we go. What do we get? Oh, there are tons of special drills. This is fun. This one is fun. Okay, we have pink. We have a very interesting green. I have not really gotten that one before. I do not think. It's an interesting green. There's a blue. This is a gray. Are they the same? They are. Number 4 is the same. I'm pretty sure that is outlining her hair. And that might be it. Just her hair. That's a lot of that color for that. Anyhow, here's the special drills. That was it, okay? That's it for the rhinestones. 4 colors. Now, here we go. Look at those beauties. Look at those faceted teardrops. Magenta. Look at these little faceted pink teardrops. Beautiful. Look at those. Look at those. Those are gorgeous, aren't they? Iridescent, faceted, green. Love those. They're going to go on these leaves, right? Where you see the 7s, those are leaves. Then we have smaller ones. Smaller ones. All right. And look at those. Those are like the green ones. They're the same size. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at the pretty, pretty. Oh, those are looking purpley teal. Love that. Faceted teardrops. And then some little gold balls. They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Where are the 6s at? Oh, the 6s, the little blue ones are interesting. Look, those are, no, that's 10. I'm lying right straight through my teeth. 10s go here. The little pink ones go down here. Oh my goodness. She's adorable. All right. Recap. Here we go. Recap real quick. We got the little girl. We got the fun little camper. Let's go camping. Let's go. Let's go. We got 1 painting. And this is all going to be way too high. Let's move it down. We got 1 painting. We got 2 paintings. And then we have the fun construction project where we get to build. Let's build. All right. And let's put some candles in it. Anyhow, that's what we have, folks. That is what we have. I can zoom you out real quick and you can see them all. There they are. Beautiful. Again, thank you, GBFKE. I will link all these items below so that you can find them quickly and easily. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking the videos or sharing a video. I appreciate all of those things. Check out memberships. I still have memberships going. We're doing more for members. Yay. Woo, woo. And buy me a coffee, Diet Pepsi, whatever it is. I appreciate you guys so much. And I hope to see you soon. Come back, spend some more time with me. And thank you for spending your time with me, giving up a few moments of your time on the internet. And I'll see everybody soon. Bye, you guys.